This is probably the smallest one of their line, which is the Rio 2 nasal pillows. So let's open this one up and take a look at it. Alrighty. So we got our straps here, our nasal pillows, and our tubing that connects. So this one just comes completely assembled already, so that's kind of nice. So we're going to get our, if it doesn't come assembled, we're just going to get our tubing. It's kind of the same thing as the nasal mask. One side's going to be bigger than the other. This is going to fit right into here. And then with this one here, we're just going to kind of, the way I like to put nasal masks on, if I have to put them on, is kind of put it right underneath your nose here, and then just kind of pull back. Once I get this, then I can stretch it out, and then I can fit it comfortably in my nose there. So whenever you put these on, this strap should be at the bottom, right behind our notch here, behind our head. And then this strap should always be kind of at the top, where the ear, kind of where the top of the ear is. Kind of just go up there. If you need to adjust this one, you just grab this and then pull it tight. If you need to, remember not too tight, just snug enough to where it seals your nostrils off, and you can breathe comfortably through it. Quick release again on this one. This comes right off with your tubing and then snaps back in when you come back from doing whatever you got to do if you don't want to take your mask off. This one's pretty simple, so a lot of people just probably decide to just kind of pull it off just like that, and then when they come back, kind of put it back on, kind of like that. So this one's going to be probably the easiest mask to get on and off. If you're a nose breather, a lot of people tend to go smaller. If you're a mouth breather, unfortunately, you got to go full face at some point. And the way you know that if you have it on correctly is there is an L right there, the large, and that's going to tell you what size you're using. That's always going to go towards the skin. So this is going to go the L down, and that's how you know you have it on correctly. To change out these cushions, what you got to do is take this piece off, just pinch it, and just pull it off. That's it. So we're going to get another one. So this is going to be your M for medium. Down, it's going to face downward. And then we're just going to grab it here and just kind of push it on just like that. So pretty easy to use. I kind of prefer these masks over all of them, especially nose breathers, just because they're just simple, they're easy, not too much going on as far as headgear goes, and it's pretty straightforward. In order to change out your headgear, just like the other ones, you're just going to remove the straps. Pretty simple, and then just put your new straps on. The way to know if you're putting on your straps correctly is that when you lift it up, you should have that Rio 2 right there at the bottom. So if you have the Rio 2 up top, that means it's on backwards.